So what's more important than shooting better with a pistol? Probably make a gun safe. This rule applies to every pistol that you ever have to handle. Especially if you're a new shooter, you should definitely follow me now because I'm gonna cover the easy steps to safe and clear every handgun. You can apply these steps to all semi-automatic handguns. Revolvers are not included because they're made in another way, and I'll cover that in another video. When grabbing your pistol, remember to point it always in a safe direction, and you wanna keep your index finger always off of the trigger guard. The second thing we want to do is to check out if there is a magazine inside. In this case, we have a magazine. We want to remove it by pushing the mag release button. The magazine will come off. The next step is to rack the slide to make sure that we clear also the chamber. Grab it from the rear or from the front and rack it. One time is not enough. To make the gun completely safe, we want to rack the slide and lock it with our hold open. Then verify inside the chamber visually and manually that there's no round in the chamber. At this point, we're pretty sure that there's no mag inside and there's no round in the chamber. Now we can close our slide and make our safety check. At this point, and only at this point, we have a safe and clear handgun. Remember, even at this point, if I leave my handgun on a table and I walk in another room, in other words, if I lose the contact with my handgun, when I come back, I have to do it again from start because every gun is always loaded. You want to make sure to repeat the process every time you don't physically have your handgun in your hands. And that's surely not all, because that's only a little part about safety and how to shoot a pistol properly and safely. So you don't want to miss out on this other video that I'm sure is going to explain something very interesting for you as a new shooter. But even if you're not a new shooter, you can always learn something.